What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we build stronger bodies and sharper minds, so you can look better, move better, and feel unstoppable every single day. Today, we are talking about something that silently destroys your confidence, your strength, and even your health without you realizing it: your posture. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix your posture in 4 simple moves that you can start today and make permanent if you stay consistent. If you are sitting for hours, scrolling on your phone, working on a laptop, driving long distances, or training chest more than back, chances are your shoulders are rounded forward, your head is drifting in front of your body, and your lower back is either overly arched or completely flattened. This forward head posture and rounded shoulder position is often called upper crossed syndrome, a term popularized by Dr. Vladimir Janda. It happens when certain muscles become tight and overactive, while others become weak and inhibited. Tight chest and upper traps, weak deep neck flexors and lower traps, tight hip flexors, weak glutes and core. It is a predictable pattern, and that is good news because predictable problems have predictable solutions. Before we jump into the 4 moves, understand this: bad posture is not just about how you look. It reduces breathing capacity, increases neck pain, causes headaches, contributes to shoulder impingement, and can even lower confidence levels because your body language signals low energy. When you stand tall, your diaphragm works better, your core activates naturally, and your nervous system shifts into a more confident state. Now, here are the 4 moves that will change everything if you do them consistently. Move number 1 is the wall posture reset. Stand with your back against a wall. Your heels should be about 2 to 3 inches away from the wall. Press your glutes, upper back, and the back of your head into the wall. If your lower back has a large gap, gently tuck your pelvis by squeezing your glutes and engaging your abs so that your rib cage comes down. Now bring your chin straight back as if you are making a double chin. Do not tilt your head up or down. Just glide it straight back. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds while breathing slowly through your nose. Focus on expanding your ribs sideways and into your back. This teaches your body what neutral posture actually feels like. Most people have forgotten what proper alignment even is. Do 3 sets of this daily. Move number 2 is the chin tuck with lift. Forward head posture is one of the biggest problems today. To fix it permanently, you need to strengthen the deep neck flexors. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Gently tuck your chin as if making a double chin again. From this tucked position, lift your head just 1 inch off the ground. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds without letting your chin poke forward. Lower it down with control. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. You will feel this deep in the front of your neck. This exercise reactivates muscles that have been asleep for years because your head has been hanging forward like it is being pulled by gravity all day. Move number 3 is the wall slide with liftoff. This move attacks rounded shoulders and weak upper back muscles. Stand with your back against a wall again. Press your lower back gently into the wall by engaging your core. Raise your arms into a goalpost position with elbows bent at 90 degrees and backs of your hands touching the wall. Now slowly slide your arms upward while keeping your wrists and elbows in contact with the wall. When you reach as high as you can without losing contact, lift your hands slightly off the wall for 2 seconds. Then return slowly. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. This strengthens your lower traps and external rotators while stretching your chest. Over time, your shoulders will naturally sit back instead of rolling forward. Move number 4 is the glute bridge with reach. Posture is not just upper body. If your pelvis is tilted forward, your entire spine compensates. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Before lifting, gently tuck your pelvis by flattening your lower back into the floor. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. At the top, reach your arms toward the ceiling and slightly upward to engage your serratus anterior and core. Hold for 5 seconds while breathing deeply. Lower slowly. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. This strengthens glutes and core while teaching your rib cage and pelvis to stack properly. When your pelvis is aligned, your spine naturally follows. Now here is how to make this permanent. First, do these 4 moves daily for at least 6 weeks. Muscles adapt quickly, but your nervous system needs repetition to rewrite posture habits. Second, adjust your environment. Raise your screen to eye level. Keep your keyboard close. When using your phone, bring it up to eye height instead of bending your neck down. Third, balance your training. For every pushing exercise like push-ups or bench press, include at least one pulling exercise like rows or pull-downs. A strong back supports good posture automatically. Fourth, use posture check reminders. Every hour, stand up, squeeze your glutes, pull your shoulders back and down, tuck your chin, and take 5 deep breaths. Consistency beats intensity. You do not need extreme stretches or complicated routines. You need daily reinforcement of proper alignment and stronger muscles in the right places. Imagine 6 weeks KS from now. You walk into a room taller, shoulders back, chin level. Your breathing is deeper. Neck pain is gone. Your lifts in the gym feel stronger because your joints are aligned. People perceive you as more confident without you saying a word. That is the power of fixing your posture permanently. Start today. Do the 4 moves. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, make sure you stay connected because we are here to build strength that lasts a lifetime and a mindset that refuses to settle. I will see you in the next one. Stay strong and stand tall.